Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope that this new year is filled with excitement and hope for all of you. So today I am just going to try and jam pack in a work day. I have some orders that I want to just get through and finalize. I've been making some pencil cases because the kids are going back to school. So it was just a good idea for my business. I have sewn them up. I have sent a whole lot out, but I just have a few more that need the names on. And then if I have time, I will drop it off today, otherwise Monday morning. So I want to actually work through that list of things that I want to get done. I've also started painting a board that I'm going to make to hold my scrunchies and some of my necklaces just to have a better display at markets. So I did paint that last night. I will insert footage after this clip, and then I want to actually put in the nails or hooks. I haven't decided, and my logo onto it, and test out some scrunchies and see how it looks. So hopefully I'll get through that today. I also have some new fabrics that came in, so I want to go through it and I want to just select a few pieces so that I can make some clothing. Even though my brand isn't made to order, I do have to put out samples, and I want to actually put out the samples in different sizes as well, not only my size. So I will be able to just get some photos of those items and put them up on the shop and send the actual clothing to a physical store where they can hopefully get sold straight off the shelf. So a lot of plans for today. I don't know if I'm going to get through all of them. This might be a more than one day video, but let's see. I have this old piece of wood, which is actually a really good piece. It's already flat and it seems very strong. I have just some old Velvico Plascon paint that I found in our storeroom, a roller brush and an old paintbrush. It was just an impromptu project, so just got what was lying around in our storeroom. It's all painted. I think it's largely dry, but I'm gonna leave it overnight just to make sure everything is 100%. And then I'm gonna look at how I'm going to put my logo or my name on the top, and whether I want to have just like nails in or wooden dowels. Still planning that, but this is the progress so far. A lot of people actually find the weeding part of this process really satisfying, and it is when you're doing like just one or two like I'm doing now. But when you have like a big order and you're just trying to get it done, it can be so frustrating because it's so easy to forget like just a smaller section here on an A. It makes a big difference in printing. And if you're printing like on a piece that you made and you forgot that, like you basically have to redo the sewing and the whole part. So it's always good to just double check, turn it over, make sure everything is fine. When you print it, it's worth the extra time now, because this extra time is nothing compared to having to redo something. because I've made like so many of these, I actually know exactly how to centralize them. So I do have like other color combos for the names. They can either be in gold, silver, white, and a rainbow colored. But for schools, I just noticed that a lot of people have been preferring the gold and the white and the silver. Because the zipper is plastic, I don't want that to get the heat, so I just let this part fall off on the edges. I'm gonna press this down for just 10 seconds. So I have been hand screwing in these screws just because I was lazy to get the drill, but I mean, that's kind of therapeutic. I would say, so I'm just gonna continue. But while I was doing this, I got 2 more orders for the pencil cases. So yay for 2 more orders, but like I just put everything away. So I don't know whether to just pause this, get those 2 done, make a trip to the post office, or finish this board and then do it. Still undecided. I feel like it really would just be so much quicker using a drill. But to each their own. When you have like everything just on a table, like I've done in the past markets, I feel like it doesn't attract people who just want to have a quick glance. Like you need things on your table that like someone who's just walking past will just like look quickly and be like, oh, that looks nice, because a lot of people don't want to come like close up to you. What I've noticed in the markets, and actually look at your things. And a lot of the times I'm just like, just have a look, don't buy anything. But I feel like if you have things on board and you have things displayed better, that people can see it from far and don't have to come like right up to you and touch your things and move things around, then you're more likely to make a sale, because people see what you have and see if they like it or not. I mean, I know I have good stuff. So, like if you're using a screwdriver, it's like so hard to just get the nail to actually get into the board. It's put like so much pressure. But like once it just gets a little bit in, once it actually makes that hole, it's so easy. I'm like scared to put pressure because it sometimes slaps and hurts. It's 11 a.m. the board is finished. Scrunchies are a bit cramped on it, but some of it's gonna have necklaces, so I'll just play around obviously when I'm doing a market. I have already taken all of those pencil bags to the shop to get sent out, and this board is done, so I think all that's left to do is just get these scrunchies out of here, put them back into the basket because obviously display is just for markets, and then I'm going to start working on the clothes. So quick update, I had to pre-wash some of the fabrics because I hadn't done that and I thought I did. So the one set that I did pre-wash, I already started sewing it up. So I already drafted the pattern, cut it out. It's just gonna be a simple top. My theme or my focus for this collection is like back to business. So the pencil bags, everything is going at that theme. So this is almost just like workwear, things that you can wear professionally. So I'm staying into the tones of like navies because that's just a very popular work color here. So I just have to you can just see this, I just have to sew in the neckband and hem it at the bottom as well as the sleeves, and then that's done.